Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Candy James here.
Yes, honey, today we are vlogging a little behind the scenes because guess what? My birthday is coming up. It's time for what? January! That's what I said. But anyway, y'all, so yes, we have not did anything to our hair. You know, we just, hey, it is what it is, you feel me? But nonetheless, make sure you stay tuned because we're going to give you guys some behind the scenes scoops and details on how we are running things for my birthday, getting everything together, honey. Today is like a Sunday, so it's like a pre-birthday turn up. No, it ain't a turn up. It's like a pre-birthday get ready with me. That's what it is. So yes, make sure you stay tuned for more. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Thank you guys. yes, honey, again, this is a part 2 to the birthday celebration that I had just recently. Of course, if you don't know, honey, my birthday just came up and it is today, but you might not see this video until later. But January 7th is or was my birthday, okay? Isn't that not cute? Or not your forte, huh? But anyway, it's very candy-ish, other than the fact that it's $350. Well, honey, y'all know I'm kind of frugal, and y'all know I'm all about saving coins. So of course I am going to take it upon myself to try and recreate it. And as you can see, I am flaunting the latest creation, yes, by Candy Dreams. Honey, yes, I did this, period, sis. Okay, it was very simple. It was very time consuming, so I'll be sure to list all of the pros and cons. But at the end of the day, I am extremely happy with how it turned out. It's so freaking cute and it's so fluffy. It's so girly. I mean, just look at it, y'all. It is so freaking cute. Oh, so what do you think about it? You like it? Yes, no? Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you think? You better not thumbs down my video, but definitely share it with the latest seamstress or the latest fashionista, honey. Let her hook you up because fluffies are in. Bye, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.